So we're going to talk about beating the real estate market. How can you beat the real estate market? The best way you could do it is researching your local market, researching where you're at. And how you do this is you talk to local agents. You should have relationships with local agents. You should have relationships with local real estate investors. And also, more importantly, you have to know what's going on in your business, because you're seeing things fluctuate. You're seeing marketing not really working as well as it used to. You're seeing properties sit a little bit longer or take a little bit longer to be sold. These are fluctuations that you'll get to notice when you're actually in the business. And that's one thing you really want to take heed to and just really follow. Excuse me. So that's what you really want to pay attention to when you're doing these things, because it's very, very, very important. Right. And then you also want to look at specific statistics and different articles. Now, one of the best, I would say, Redfin, they have a really good blog. To me, they're one of the best blogs as far as like research, keeping up with the real estate market, and just in general, the business in general. But you should do this with no matter what business you're in. You want to beat the stock market. You want to beat trading. You want to beat the real estate market. You just have to know what trends are going on, and then also be able to look at history of what's happened in the past, because the past is the best indicator of the future. These things move and ebb and flows. Like it becomes predictable to a point if you just really look back in history, which is why we as people study history. So this is the best way to beat the real estate market. I'm gonna drop some links below so you can watch that or like do some research, but it's the best way you can beat the real estate market. Now, sometimes you're gonna get beat. It's a constant fight. You're going to take an L. You're not going to be like Floyd Mayweather in real estate and be undefeated and go 50-0. Nobody is undefeated with real estate, because sometimes you're going to get caught with your pants down. But your wins are going to stack up way more than your losses when you stick with it, when you have a strategy, when you have a plan, and more importantly, have a system. And if you want a system on how to wholesale auction properties, click the link below, schedule a call with me. I have the Legacy Lasting Blueprint. What I personally, me and my team, we help you build your operation, a part-time business that makes a full-time income, and where you can work part-time and still make a full-time income. So I'm talking 6 figures easy, flipping like a few properties, and something you can do year after year after year for the rest of your life, and build this business in 12 weeks. So if it's for you, click the link below, schedule a call with me. But this is how you beat the real estate market. I'm Mr. CMB. I'm out. Peace. What's up?